Welcome. In front of me I have POCO X3 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can connect AirPods Pro to your POCO. So at the first, let's grab our case of AirPods. In my case I got here the AirPods Pro. You have to open charging case. Next, use this button, so we have to click and hold it. When this indicator is blinking, it means that we are in the pairing mode, so we can release that key. And right now you have to open notification bar and go for the Bluetooth settings. Tap on the switcher to enable Bluetooth, and after a few moments they will pop on the device list. So we have to be patient and just wait. As you can see, here they are, so simply tap on them, then accept pair. And as you can see, after a few moments we are able to use our earbuds. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.